The muscular system in the human body is a vital structure responsible for movement, posture, and supporting various physiological functions. It comprises three main types of muscle tissue. Skeletal muscle structure, composed of long cylindrical fibers arranged in bundles. It is striated, striped under a microscope. Function: enables voluntary movements by contracting and pulling on bones via tendons. Examples: biceps, triceps, quadriceps, and diaphragm. Paramedic considerations: skeletal muscles are highly vascular, meaning injuries can lead to significant bleeding. Compartment syndrome: increased pressure within muscle compartments is a critical emergency. Cardiac muscle structure: striated muscle unique to the heart, with intercalated discs allowing synchronized contractions. Function: pumps blood throughout the body via rhythmic involuntary contractions. Examples: myocardium, heart muscle. Paramedic considerations: any compromise to cardiac muscle, for example myocardial infarction, can result in life-threatening conditions. Recognizing early signs of heart failure or arrhythmias is critical. Smooth muscle structure: non-striated, spindle-shaped fibers found in walls of internal organs. Function: controls involuntary movements such as digestion, blood vessel constriction, and airway regulation. Examples: muscles in the gastrointestinal tract, respiratory tract, and blood vessels. Paramedic considerations: smooth muscle spasm can cause conditions like bronchospasm or bowel obstruction. Monitor for signs of shock caused by vascular smooth muscle dilation. Key functions of the muscular system: movement facilitates both voluntary, for example walking, and involuntary, for example breathing actions. Posture and stability maintains body position through constant low-level contractions. Thermoregulation generates heat during muscle activity, essential for maintaining body temperature. Protection guards internal organs by acting as a cushion or barrier. Clinical relevance for paramedics: injury management, assess for muscle tears, strains, or crush injuries. Neuromuscular disorders: be alert to signs of conditions like paralysis or muscle fatigue during emergencies. Pharmacological impacts: some medications, such as muscle relaxants or paralytics, directly affect the muscular system. Understanding the muscular system structure and function enables medical personnel to recognize and respond to injuries and conditions effectively, ensuring patient safety and optimal care.